In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a column negative in Excel using two easy methods. Firstly, let's open a document. Suppose you need to make the values of the first column negative in this one. You can do it by multiplication. Select a cell and type equals. Select a cell of the positive column, add a multiply sign, and type -1. Press Enter. Now select the answer and bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the plus sign becomes smaller and bolder, double-click on it. You can see that the data of the entire column has turned negative. There is another way to do this. Select the whole positive column and copy it. Paste it into the negative column. Now select another cell in the workbook and type -1. Copy the -1 cell. Select the data pasted in the negative column. Right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, click on Paste Special. From the Paste section, click on Values. From the Operations section, click on Multiply. Click on OK. Here you can see that the column has turned negative.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.